Hey, what's going on, family, today? Or should I say evening? I got a weird combination going on here. I had some dressing left over, and I made me some turkey Alfredo. I had some turkey meat from my big old turkey that I prepared. I chopped it up, and today I made me some turkey Alfredo. Y'all see that? Yes, in my dressing with some cranberry sauce. This is what I had a taste for. How y'all been doing? I hope everything been going well with y'all today. Oh, today is a little dreary outside. It's supposed to be snowing late. We supposed to get in Indiana about 4 inches of snow. Let me know. Right now it's raining. So, and I got me some Coke pop. I'm finna get it in. Hope y'all evening is going well. Hope y'all had a good day today. What I did was, the day after Thanksgiving, I took my turkey and I just carved all the meat off of it. I froze some of it. And I even made sandwiches out of it. Put my Colby and mozzarella jack cheese on it. And toasted some of that Texas toast bread. I made sandwiches. So much you can do with turkey. And my dressing is good. For real, I made 2 pans of it. So I'm like, wait a minute. I gotta taste for some dressing. So what I'm finna do is give me some dressing too with this turkey Alfredo. Some dressing. What's that? See, I got some little carrots and stuff going on in there. There's a lot of stuff that you can do with a turkey. Y'all know. Oh, I'm missing this. Wow, that's a little burp. Oh, you burp lovers. I know y'all miss these burps. Y'all see they ain't strong right now. Down up in there. But I hope everything is going well. Yesterday I was looking at it was a ceremony on Kim Porter, her funeral. Man, that is just so unbelievable. So I said, we ain't got no time to waste to be harping on negative stuff. Have to think positive and be surrounded around positive all the time. I just feel so sad. It's like she touched so many people. Like it really was. She was an agent. She had to have a good spirit about herself. Because she touched people she didn't even know. And people didn't even know of her. Because I was one of them. And I mean, she touched my heart. You know, sometimes you can just look at a person's picture. Or just look at them. You can tell. She was such a good person. And it's just sad because it's right around the holidays. And my heart goes out to her kids and Diddy. And I'll be sure. And the rest of her close friends and family. them burps in there for you burp lovers. I don't know about today. I don't know. I was listening to, I had to take my granddaughter home today. I'm living my best life. Ain't no back, with Snoop Dogg, and I can't think of the little guy's name that came up with that song. But this is such a happy song. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know down below if y'all still got some Thanksgiving food left over. This turkey Alfredo is good. It's coming. There we go. Ooh. Oh boy. It's some good sleeping weather. Feel that rain coming down. I just hate tomorrow when that snow start hitting. And it says it's supposed to start in the morning. Like maybe about 3, 4 in the morning. When that snow started coming down. This is not a bad combination either. This dressing and this turkey Alfredo. It's not a bad combination. I told y'all I was coming. I was in Walgreens because I go to Walgreens because they got the tissue, 10 rolls of 1,000 sheets for $5. So I was in there and me and this old lady, we was singing the Christmas song, but the world needs His love. She turned around, she said, man. She said, I'm sad. I said, why you sad? It's the time to be happy. So she was talking about that one of her friends, her close friends, a male friend that she was seeing, he had passed away. Just passed away. Last Tuesday. Yeah, wow. She said, I know that, we all gonna leave here. He said, but man, she was like, man. She was like, just all of a sudden. And she was like, maybe she was in her early, 60s. She said, just all of a sudden, he left here. Like I say, you have no time to waste. What's y'all New Year's resolution? My New Year's resolution is to be prosperous. Try my best to eat a little bit more healthier. And get my butt more into the Bible. full. Boy, this is good. The first time I watched the Bobby Brown movie was earlier today. Movie is pretty good. Man, I am full. No, I didn't post yesterday. I was tired. I was painting my bathroom. Remember, I've been seeing that for, what, maybe about 2 or 3 months. Finally happened. And it turned out okay. Nice. My other half, he came and helped me. So, and come to find out, I was like, wait a minute, I read the can. It was like tint base. It was flat paint. Because Menards, if people get some paint mixed up and they don't like it, so what happens is Menards, Home Depot, or Lowe's, they got a section in the paint. For a gallon of paint, it's going to be $5. Be any kind of paint, good paint. And I had like 4 things of paint. And I ended up painting it green. But I had like a pink, a dark rose color. I didn't want that color, but I didn't read the bottom of it. It said tint base paint. So it's just like that latex, that I think that flat paint. So it's got that old dull look to it. So I said just for right now. But when you put color, because I had a light yellow color in there and I got tired of looking at that. So when you put color, I noticed in your, when I put the color in my bathroom, it made it brighten up. So I was kind of happy about it. It only took me, what, about 2 hours. But family, I love y'all, and I'll be seeing y'all later. And if you have not subscribed to the Yo Faith channel, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you know. Let me know. Put it down in the comments down below. Please share and make sure you hit that notification button. I love you, love, 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 and I'll be seeing you later.